Hi guys, so I'm here in Dinkin. I just try to learn some different things. Right now we are in the class doing leather repair. So we have different material here and different levels. So we start like first thing you start like you do the inspection in the leather, see how is the crack or what you got, and then you start working on it. So the class is amazing. I learned a lot. So it's different materials. So the guys here show you how you identify what is the different material. For example, this is vinyl. You can see like it's not making like anything around when you touch it. The leather, you can see it's like different. So it's different way to fix this thing. So it's amazing. So here you can see like we fixed already the little rip. It was here. This is waiting for getting like really dry and put the tester. So we'll be done in a few minutes. So, but here was too. We fixed it. Was amazing. I like it. I love it. So I recommend this school. It's nice. So it's not just PDR. It's more stuff on the way. So I say like it's good professional guys here. Teach you everything about how taking care of cars. So it can be nice. So if you want to do it, just come here.